Keanu Thompson. Keanu!
Here, let's put that up.
Mom! I like your face. It's so small. Look, I could put my whole hand over it.
Put your hair in here.
Hi.
Look,
Hi.
he looks like he looked like some kind of crazy professor.
That's
with that
you.
crazy hair.
Hi, that's better.
I know.
Hey, everybody. Hi.
We are family. No, sit down.
I'm getting whiskey.
You...
I'll be right back.
And a whole bunch of food too. It's pretty fun.
Look
And,
at him.
And there's
It's
Kit.
a cat that likes me.
And there's Kit. I don't. Is that an arrow right there?
It's the mouse, Mom.
Oh, I thought it was a flea or something.
A flea.
But
It was confusing.
I've written everything down so that I can get right. I'm sorry. I'm just compelled to.
No, Mom! Did you see anything? Did anyone?
I got it.
I hate when you sigh.
But you have pretty nice feet.
I have nice feet. Look,
I have to
Fiona, look
say.
at my nice feet.
Yeah,
Fiona.
she always says you have. He
I
does.
told you.
He does have pretty nice feet.
He
So I
does.
have to say, no, he doesn't like to be cuddled. He doesn't like to be held. He's just like, what are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, he's yanking on your shirt.
Oh my God.
He felt,
Oh God.
he felt compelled.
Come on, Belle. Everyone in this house. I'm sorry.
He's like, leave me alone.
Oh God.
He's a little one.
I swear that cat likes me. This was a wedding check-in. I think we're all, but Mom. Mom. No. I can't believe you're not ticklish. You're a freak. Stop.
Maybe you're the only one that is.
Please stop. What are you doing? What? It's just annoying.
That's weird.
What?
No, that tickles me. No, that tickled me.
You're just digging your fingers into me. Like, don't do it.
Can we get Mom? Stop it. I'm gonna rip your jaw out. What are you insane? Somewhere waiting for me. My lover stands on golden sands. And I'm just surrounded by a bunch of fucking old people. And they don't care.
Oh, you
No,
cute.
and when we
Thank
cheers,
you.
we say, "Welcome to Starbucks."
Wow.
Okay,
Ready?
1, 2, and
Welcome to
Starbucks.
Welcome to Starbucks.
But I like Rocco's feet. I probably will touch Zach's feet too if he'll let me. I think I probably already have. You know what? Here we are.
It's so stupid.
This is bullshit.
You know,
Nobody likes me. Everybody hates me. I could eat worms all day. Big, fat, juicy ones. Little, tiny, skinny ones. I could eat worms all day. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
You and roll around.
And then dip me. Oh my God, we're gonna fall down.